Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are safe and strong. By the way, thank you for visiting my channel. I truly appreciate it. This is an easy to follow 10-step Sushi Maki tutorial with lots of tips and tricks to help you roll like a pro, along with sushi roll and sauce recipe galore. Let's dive right in. We will now proceed to step 1. Step 1. Gather the ingredients. It may seem like a lot to buy at first, but most of the ingredients turn into staples like you will need, of course, the main ingredients, sushi rice, a bamboo mat, plastic wrap, nori or seaweed sheets, low sodium soy sauce, toasted sesame seeds or chia seeds, sriracha chili sauce, wasabi, rice vinegar. Once you have your pantry staples, all you need is some fresh produce. Here are some of my favorite veggies for homemade sushi roll: cucumber, bell peppers, carrots. Fruit-wise, you can also add avocado, mango, apple are all insanely good. As for protein options, anything you'd like. I typically use shrimps, crab sticks, or what's available near me. You can also add tofu or cream cheese to the rolls if you'd like. Be creative and add anything that floats your sushi bowl. Step 2. Make the rice. If you have rice box, it has an instructions, follow it. Wash the rice till it's clean. Combine 1/2 cups of rice with 2 cups of water in a medium-sized pot. Cover the rice, but if you have rice cooker, feel free to use it. Step 3. Season the rice. For our rice measurements, we will need 1/3 cup of seasoned rice vinegar or 1/3 cup of vinegar seasoned with 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix it and adjust salt or sugar as per taste. We will mix it gently with a spatula. We will then cover the bowl with a clean towel. Step 4. Cut your fillings. While the rice cools down, we will prepare our veggies. For any request or suggestion, please leave a comment down below, and I do answer all of my viewers. Also, for those now who haven't subscribed yet, it will be a great help to my channel in continuing my passion in cooking. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell button as well. Step 5. Wrap it up. To avoid messy cleanup and scrubbing, we will wrap our bamboo in a plastic wrap. Step 6. Dipping sauces. You can't have sushi without some not so secret sauces. For our spicy mayo is basically 1 tablespoon mayonnaise and 1/2 tablespoon sriracha chili sauce. Ponzu sauce is a citrus soy sauce with lemon and lime added. Be creative. There are endless combinations of ingredients, toppings, and sauces to choose from. Step 7. Inside out or outside in. The most popular techniques are inside out rolls with rice on the outside, or rolls wrapped with nori on the outside and rice on the inside. Since it is easiest to make rolls with seaweed on the outside, that's what we will start with for this basic sushi tutorial. There's 2 sides of the nori or seaweed sheet, the shiny side and the rough side. The shiny side, if you will make outside in, grab your spatula and spread a thin layer of rice on the seaweed sheet nori. We will spread it and half layer. I have a small bowl here with a little water to moisten my fingers and remove the sticky rice to better layer the rice. Step 8. Line it up. And I like my pieces bite size, so I add a thin layer. We will place our toppings in the center, very close to one another. We will pile some on top of each other. Step 9. Roll, squeeze, repeat. The first roll will bind the ingredients into the center, roll a mat, and gently squeeze so it sticks, and unfold the bamboo mat. Repeat the process until you've rolled the sheet of rice, seaweed, and veggies into a spiral. We will give it one last squeeze to seal the deal. Step 10. Slice and serve. We will then slice it into bite size. With each slice, we will clean the knife with wet towel and go on to slice again. And then we will pile our Sushi Maki and set a few sauces for dunking. For rice on the outside, we will flip the sheet of the nori very carefully and fast. We will add our vegetables to the seaweed side. Roll, squeeze, repeat. And there you go, our and easy to follow Sushi Maki tutorial. Enjoy! Again, stay safe. I appreciate you. Bye!